Inhale, chest lifts. Exhale, closing the hands. One more. Inhale, we're in the breath. As I come around the left hand to the hip, we're going to look forward. We're going to go step the back foot in as the hand comes out. Block. Then we kick the left foot left. Belly scoops in and up. Bring heart to Shavasana.
Yoga is just a really nice way to just relax, not only your body, but also your mind and your spirit, and really connect with other people as well as connect with yourself.
Bring the hands to prayer. Hook the right elbow on the knee. We're turning towards the mirror. And press the elbow.
Hi, I'm Alana, and I've done the summer and the fall yoga classes with Sarah. And so far, yoga has really helped me, like physically and emotionally. It's helped me become more connected with my body and understanding the things that I want and how other things outside my life affect me.
Moving on, we're in plank pose. Let's lower down. Chaturanga to upward dog. And then roll back over the toes.
My name is Maddie, and I took the summer and fall yoga classes. And yoga has helped me feel more connected to my spirit, definitely. I was in a not very good place last summer, and yoga really helped me to mature and find out who I really was. And it's extremely relaxing, and just helped me feel more comfortable in my body and feel better about myself.